Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. If you don't know proper English, you can write whatever English you know here and it will rewrite for you. It's called Wordtune.com. So it can help you write in casual way, formal way. It can shorten, it can expand, all those things you can do. So let me see if I don't know proper English. So I want to say that I want to go to London. I need to book a ticket to London. So let me see if I put it. I say I go to London, book ticket. Now let's say rewrite. Now it is reading it. Now it says I'm going to London and I need to book a ticket. I'm going to London and I have to book a ticket. I go market, buy apple, make salad. Now if I want to rewrite this, it says this. I'm going to London to book a ticket. Then if I rewrite this, I can see this. Now if I want to write it formally, you can write it formally, you can write it casually. All those things you can do it from here. And the Chrome extension is also available for use. So when you upgrade it, you get additional features in this website. So with free, you can start with basics, you can rewrite. You can use in casual and formal tunes. There is 10 per day total rewrites, casual and formal tunes. This is unlimited. So this is a very useful product. I hope this is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.